Hello there. Look at this fun set. It has 4 math symbols inside it. Plus, minus, times, and divide. We need to find all the little groups we can make from these symbols. That big collection of all groups is called the power set. So what is a power set? It is a set that has all the smaller groups we can make. We pick some things or even nothing at all or even everything. Every possible pick goes into the power set. Let's count. Our set has 4 things in it. There is a cool trick. The number of subsets is always 2 raised to the number of things. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. We will have 16 little groups. Let's start with picking nothing at all. That gives us the empty set. It looks like this little circle with a line. Every set always has the empty set as a subset. That's one group so far. Now let's pick just one thing at a time. We can pick plus by itself, minus by itself, times by itself, or divide by itself. That gives us 4 small groups with just one thing each. Now let's pick 2 things at a time. We pair up plus with minus, plus with times, plus with divide, then minus with times, minus with divide, and finally times with divide. That gives us 6 groups of 2. Now let's pick 3 things at a time. It's like leaving one thing out each time. Leave out divide, leave out times, leave out minus, or leave out plus. That gives us 4 groups of 3. Finally, we pick everything, all 4 symbols together. The whole set itself is always one of its own subsets. That's one more group. Let's check our count. 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 equals 16. That matches our answer from the trick we used earlier. We found all 16 groups. Here is our final answer. The power set has 16 subsets inside it, starting from the empty set all the way to the full set with all 4 symbols. Great job! You found every single group you can make from plus, minus, times, and divide.